Hey, it's Gil from Gilded. I'm here with episode 2 of Stablecoin Hacks. This one today is called How to End Corporate Fraud Like Wirecard Forever. Today, my guest is Joey Ryan, who's our CFO at Gilded. So, Joey, what exactly happened recently with Wirecard?
Yeah, so this one's super interesting. So Wirecard is a German payment processor and financial service company that's had billions of dollars in revenue, very, very large outstanding institution in Germany. And it recently came out that they were basically hiding or had $2 billion, billion, on their balance sheet that was unaccounted for, which is absolutely insane. So Wirecard was hiding $2 billion in reserves on their balance sheet. They were doing that by basically reporting it as them having it and having this cash, and it was being held, supposedly held, at banks in the Philippines. Now, you ultimately performed the audit, basically said, "Hey, we can't confirm that this cash actually exists." Which is crazy because Wirecard held this $2 billion on the balance sheet for many years. So whoever was reviewing the books, performing the audits beforehand, was not performing the auditing 101 steps for confirming cash balances. And we've seen multiple examples of just regular bank confirmation issues that have resulted in huge amounts of fraud that's been
And this
uncovered
is
recently.
This is really because the traditional financial infrastructure that we use today with banks and everything is really opaque, right? There's no transparency to it. And I guess
Exactly.
because they were a German entity and they were, supposedly they had these banks in the Philippines, I guess that makes it even more difficult to confirm that, the assets are actually there.
Yeah, exactly. Not just the decreased transparency, but also the trust that you have to have in the system. So trusting that the individual you're confirming balances with is actually somebody who works at a bank, and the bank is actually running the right reports to verify that this person's balance is accurate. So there's a lot of trust in that system. So this leads to where stablecoins and digital currency can solve this. So if Wirecard or any business was transacting using stablecoins or holding uh, amounts in stablecoins or digital currency, an auditor, an accountant, or anybody that's reviewing the books will be able to see transactions occurring real time on the blockchain. They'd be able to verify a person's wallet address and verify the total amount of crypto dollars being held within that wallet address. And audits and accounting can be instantaneously. So this solves a huge issue, wherein this can be reviewed, verified, and confirmed basically instantaneously by an auditor and accountant. So again, this is how stablecoins and blockchain can really help solve this issue. And this leads to the bigger view in accounting called triple entry accounting, wherein if a business basically would operate all of their transactions on the blockchain, this can produce some amazing things in regards to accounting and reporting and auditing. So if you want to learn more about triple entry accounting, you can check it out. I put a blog post on our website at GILDED.FINANCE. Just check out our blog, and you can dive deeper into the theory of triple entry accounting and where it's headed.
Well, thanks, Joey. So, why exactly did you pick this particular challenge to talk about as a way that stablecoins could improve?
Yeah, so this one actually hit home for me. I'm a CPA. I perform financial statement audits for large public accounting firms. So I'm very familiar with the auditing and accounting process and where some of the issues in lie as an auditor and where some of the challenges in lie as an auditor using the traditional financial system. So seeing where the blockchain and DeFi and the new financial system is going, and the problems that it's going to solve with the old financial system is going to make accountants and auditors' lives a lot easier.
So we stole you away to work on Gilded, where you worked for a big auditing firm before. Like, how long do you think it'll be before everyone in the auditing world is all about blockchain and pushing their customers to use triple entry accounting and stablecoins?
Yeah, so I think it's kind of a two-directional pull. I know a lot of it is dependent upon the clients that or the clients that auditors are auditing or performing tax returns for. If those businesses start transacting in crypto and adopting blockchain technology, it's going to force the accountants to jump on board as well. But accountants can also push this revolution forward themselves by showing and educating their clients on the benefits of transacting in crypto and digital currency and the benefits of utilizing blockchain. It can help save businesses time and money. So by accountants kind of pushing forward this revolution, they're actually providing a good value added service for their clients.
Cool. Well, thanks for sitting down to me to talk about how to end corporate fraud like Wirecard. This was episode 2 of Stablecoin Hacks. We've got a ton more that are in the works with various thought leaders from the crypto blockchain industry. So if you're interested in, if you're passionate about how stablecoins can improve efficiency, security, and give us more productivity in our lives, check us out at Gilded.FINANCE on Twitter or Gilded.FINANCE on the web, and subscribe to our Stablecoin Hacks newsletter. So that's all for today. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, guys.